So I was looking for some hardware for my bags, and I went onto Joann's and I found D-rings were $1.50 for two, and buckles are about $2.50 each. And I just thought that is way too much money. So I thought maybe I'll order them from eBay. But then I'm like, well, maybe if I found like another fanny pack, I can swipe the buckle off of it from the dollar store. So I went to the dollar store and I was just walking around, and then all of a sudden I turned around and I was like, it was like an aha moment, and I was in the pet aisle and I was like, of course, dog collars. And that is where I posted my Instagram video. So if you're not already following me on my Instagram, it's at Charmed by Ashley. Links are below. And from one harness, I get 4 D-rings, 1 buckle, 2 of those little slip plastic things, and then 2 of those other adjustable pieces. And then you can use webbing. So I keep that for, future projects. And then if you wanted like swivel clasps, you can also get the dog leashes. And, for $1 or $1.25 if you're in Canada, that is a steal of a deal. And I just had to share this tip. So you may have already seen me talk about it if you are following me. But if not, I hope you appreciate this tip. And if you're not already, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. All those links are in the description box below. And thanks for watching this quick little video, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys!